Hello everyone! We hope you're doing well. In today's video, we'll explore the predefined templates available on our website that you can use to quickly create a ready-made chatbot. All you need to do is visit our website and locate the Resources tab. Under the Resources tab, you'll find the Chatbot Templates section. Simply click on it and you'll be presented with the 9 most popular templates at your disposal. For this tutorial, we'll craft a chatbot for a restaurant. Navigate to the Food Ordering Chatbot, where you'll see the Use This Template button. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will launch our dashboard. If you haven't yet signed up, you can sign up for free using the link in the description. Since I already have an account, I'm going to sign in. Voila! The bot has been created, with all the necessary bot intents pre-sorted for you. Now, let's test this chatbot. Now the chatbot is loaded. You'll notice several options here, among which I'll click on the Starters option. As you can see, it promptly displays all the available choices. Let's return to the dashboard by clicking on this tab right here. You can view the messages and the intents that have been predefined for your convenience. Additionally, you can edit the welcome message to align with your company standards by clicking and editing here. And just like that, you're done. It's incredibly straightforward to create a chatbot using our templates. If you need a chatbot, don't hesitate to sign up for free using the link in the description. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.